Mo ti jíṣẹ́ bọ̀ bàbá máa ṣe láṣẹ pé Bisi ológe Bisi ológe show. Àwa la ní show tiwa ni. Ẹ máa wò ó, ẹ má yí kú òǹbẹ̀. Remi Adébáyọ̀ Shitabe ọmọ Èkó pàtàkì ọmọ Èkó arómi sálẹ̀gbẹ̀lẹ̀gbẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni nílùú Èkó wa yìí náà ni Bisi ológe show. Àwọn tó máa gbádùn lẹ́ máa bá pàdé bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ máa wò ó, don't touch it there.
Doing the work for 30 years. It's not an overnight thing. You must build bridges. People must know you, you must know them, one-on-one. And this is what Asiwaju has done. I can tell you for free that if he gets the ticket of his party, and I've always maintained that, if he gets the ticket of APC, it will be difficult for anybody to stop him. It will be very difficult because he has been able to. So those who are building, attacking, I told them, go and build your own candidates. People should learn how to be democratic. The meaning of democracy is that everybody has a chance. They will say he's old, he's young, he's sick, he's this. It means nothing. There was nothing they didn't throw at Donald Trump in America. He became American president. So it's up to the people who don't want him to make sure that they find a better alternative, and that will be in PDP anyway. Because if he gets the ticket of APC, and don't forget that APC is currently in power, when he combines the humongous power of incumbency with his own personal charisma, is going to be unstoppable.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.